Good day guys, Bing here. Today we are going to model this one. Okay, so let's start. So first, so we're going to use conceptual mass. So start with this family, go to conceptual mass. Okay, so here it is. We're not going to match the scale of this, just to create the shape or the look. Okay, so so first, so when we look at this one, so we can create a surface and then use divided surface and then use a pattern-based family to create all these individual panel. The hardest part for this one is actually how we can create this one as a single element, because we know that in Revit we can't create actually we can use like a circle or ellipse, but we can't create a spline and make it a closed spline. We can't do that. So for this one, we can use let me just show you. So we can use an ellipse. Okay, so don't worry too much about the scale, just this will be the shape. Okay, but we can't have so if you look at this one, so it's different size. So if all the all these panels go around this shape is the same height or same width, so we can just create so I show quickly. So we can just place a point and just create something. Maybe I'll just use start and radius arc and then use draw on world plan, set world plan, and then we can just do something like this and create one. You select this profile and this path, and we can create a shape. We can't. Maybe I think it's probably because the relationship between the profile and the path. So maybe this arc is too small. So if I let me just uncheck this one and increase the radius of this, or make it flatter, make it straighter, and we probably can create one. Still can't. An open profile cannot be swept along. Okay, that's fine. That's because it's open, so it says it's open. You can't do that, so that's easy to fix. We can just offset. Just for example, I'll just make it 1 meter offset from there, and then you just close this profile. So now we have this closed profile and with this path, and we can create something from that, right? But so this is only if this shape, so there's same height here and here, so all around. But in this one, so you can see it's different. So how can we do that? Okay, so we can instead of having one just profile, so an ellipse, we can split split. Okay, split. So split this into two. So I'll just roughly so actually I shouldn't do this. Let me just Control Z. So maybe I will hang on, let me think. SL, maybe I'll split, just do it roughly here, and then tab, select this one, and I'll just delete this. So just to make sure it's to go to this point. Okay, so and then go to this point. So this is a half ellipse. Okay, so now what we are going to do is place a point, use draw on face, place it on here, and place a, so I'm going to use the same arc. So you can see this is not perfect, imperfect arc, but it's not important for this, because we are not going to create this surface only to place, actually sorry, I was wrong. We're not going to use pattern-based family for this one. We're going to use adaptive family. So the shape is not critical, just to get some rough shape, and then we can use surface divided surface to get some nodes and place the adaptive family. Okay, so let's place profile. So reference, draw on work plan, set work plan, and pick the work plan on this point. I just draw, roughly do it. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry. Draw. Let's use start and radius arc, and go up. Okay, so maybe something like this. Maybe need to go. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, that's fine. Let's just do a half circle. Okay, then we're going to just select the point and the half circle CC. I'll just copy 2 times, and then select the point, pick new host, select the point, pick new host. So now we can select this 1, 2, 3 together with this path to create a shape. So just sometimes we need to do it when they are close to each other. So I'll show you why. Okay, so if I Control Z, drag this to this end, okay, and then drag this to this end, and then try to create a shape using the same path and profile. Sometimes it will fail, so you can see it failed. So let's Control Z, then just create this shape, and then with this shape created, we can just drag this point to this end, drag this point to this end. Okay, so let's drag this point to the middle, to here, and now we can try to adjust the size of these. So for example, let's tab, select. So maybe let's just do it one by one. So we can I'm not sure about changing the radius here, so let's try. I'll just make it yeah, it works. Oh, actually you can see it move away from, so this point move away from this. Maybe it's not a good idea, so let's just select this. I'll type RE scale and use this as a base point, and then just increase the size here, for example, to 50 meter. And here let's do the same. Select this one, RE, pick this point, You can also type in a number if you want to, and then do the same. We can RE, pick here, so we can increase this one. So we can create a slightly different shape. So you can see it's higher here. So, and even you can change this. So this is 180 degrees, so half circle. You can also extend this point to make it 270, for example, if you wanted to. Right, so it doesn't really matter. The shape here doesn't really matter. So what we're going to do is we're going to use divided surface, and then we can change the layout, the number. So let's try. I'll type this, type 2. Sorry, wrong one. Maybe I'll just change it to 10, back to 10, type 2 in here. So you can see, and then if we turn on the nodes, so these nodes are the thing we need. And also you can increase this one, because when you create that create these panels, you can choose either use this nodes or use that nodes. Okay, so this is what we need, and we can, I'm not sure if we can mirror this. So let's have a test. So go to floor plan. So I'm going to select everything we have. Okay, so maybe do this, select everything except those reference plans. Maybe I'll just do this. Oh, hang on, this one's not on the right spot. Maybe we need to move this point, or just type in 0.5. Okay, and it will sit in the middle. So once again, I'll do this H just temporarily hide those reference planes, and then let's do it select this way. Maybe I'll try DM mirror. Yeah, it works, looks like. And I'll just click on this. Oh, so I forgot to pick the copy option, so let's Control Z. Select everything, DM mirror, so which is this one. Copy, click on here and click on here. Okay, so great. So let's go back to 3D view. So now we have this, right? So good. So next step is we need to create this panel. Okay, so this panel, it's actually very simple, so I'll show you. So first go to family, new, and generic model, adaptive. Okay, so in this adaptive family we need 6 points. So if you look at here, so we need 0.1, 0.2, roughly 0.3, roughly 0.4, roughly 0.5, and then roughly 0.6. So of course if you want more points, yeah, it's up to you. Okay, so usually it's 6 for this shape. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Select them, make them adaptive. So now we need 1, 2, 3, make a spline through points, and tick this box, make it reference line again. So 1, 2, 3, make another one. So and then let me think. I can't remember. I think we need to. So actually, yeah, I need to have a look because I did this one I just had a test before. So okay, so let's select. So you can see this is roughly the result. Okay, so let's select one, go edit family. So so this is what we hang on. Okay, so this is happening because we use the same family name. So when I try to open this one, because this is family 2 as well, so it will go straight into this one. Okay, so that's fine. So to avoid this, we can go to family and then just change the name of this family, or just family 2A. Now if we can also right click here to edit. It's the same as, you know, tab, select this one and edit family. So now this time it opens this family. Okay, so I think I know what I did last time. So basically I placed a point, use draw on face onto this reference line and then offset from those points. So we need 6 of these. Oh good, now I know what I need to do. So let's close this one and also close this one. So yeah, so place a point, use draw on face, place it onto this. Okay, so this is one, and place another point, use draw on world plane. Okay, so set world plane and place onto the horizontal world plane of this point. So let's just do tab and maybe tab again. Okay, so place onto the point and then select this big point which is placed onto the, you know, the first point, and so you can drag this up so you can see the offset. So we can just create an offset. So maybe I'll just call it offset 1, and it will be just type is fine. Okay, so then we need to create a thickness, so we need another point. So let's place another one, set world plane, do the same and place onto the point. So this time it will be offset 2. Okay, so create a new offset 2 and type okay and okay. And then we need to create a new parameter. So this time I'll call it thickness. Okay, so and type okay. So we're going to use so we're going to control offset 1 and use thickness to control offset 2, or you can just do it the other way around, that's fine. So thickness for now, I'll just type in maybe 500 because the scale is quite big, so we need some big numbers. Offset 1, maybe 300 would be fine. Offset 1, maybe 2 meters. And then for offset 2, so we're going to offset 2. So we need to add this thickness. So let's just do offset 1. Offset 1 plus thickness. Okay, so click OK. Now that's it. So this is 1. We need another 5. So it's easy. It's simple. Don't worry. Select all of these. Copy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. And then select the point and pick new host. Okay, and place onto this line. This, pick new host. This need to go to this line. This go roughly in the middle. This one go here. Okay. So now what we need to do is we go select these 3 points, make a reference line through points, make it reference line. So 1, 2, 3. And these connect these two, so because we need a closed profile. Okay, so then 1, 2, 3. So the reason why we do the points first and then do the reference lines later, I mean, copy the points and do the reference lines after that, is because sometimes when you create reference lines and you try to copy, it won't work. Sometimes it's just lose the relationship between the reference lines and points. So we have to do the points first and do the reference lines after. Okay, so now we're going to drag this point to this end, drag this point to this end, or alternatively you can type in 0 for this end, type in 1 for the other end. So for the middle one, so we can select both of them, just type in 0.5, so we'll go to the middle. So now we can select these two closed profile, and then we can create, what's going on here? Unable to create from element. Looks like we have some issue. Let me think what's going on here. I'm not sure. Maybe because the specific relationship between these two profile, it won't work. Even that's fine. I think that's fine. So what we can do is we can maybe just it won't work. Let me think. Maybe. Sorry about that. I think we need to rotate offset because it will offset. One should go. Yeah, I think I know what's going on here. We need to, so one, if you look at this image, so we need to offset one to one direction and then the other one to the other, the opposite direction. So what we can do is we can select the point. Let's try to select these 3. Okay, so not this one, not this big one, so the small one, and go to rotation angle, type in 180 degrees. So yep, that's better. And also we need to maybe just increase the space between these two, and then try to create something between them. Okay, hope this time it works. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I think that I was right because previously their specific relationship, the location between them, it just failed. So that's the reason why it failed. So I think this looks fine. And then the next step is we need to place this geometry onto this. Okay, so let's do it. Load this one. So just remember. So remember the number, the sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we place this point, we need to follow this. Okay, so load this one into this. So we are going to do 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't work. That's fine. Don't give up. Maybe we should just, reduce this nodes to 2 and try again. Okay, so create component. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, almost. Still. Okay, so don't give up. Maybe we can try to adjust the scale a little bit, because currently in this one, so when we place, so you can actually see, so when I try to place, it's quite small relative to this shape. So what I'm going to do is go here, double click on this family. So see here, so we're going to change, probably because the thickness relatively to this mass is too small. So I will increase it by maybe 10 times, or maybe not too much, 2 meter, and then this one make it maybe 10 meter, for example, and try again. Create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still doesn't work, but I think it's so close. Okay, so yeah, so we can see it's so close. The last point, so we can still try to move this one, pick new holes, but it won't work here. Maybe what we can do, I think I know what's going on here. We need to change the what's it called? Here, orients to. So instead of using instance XYZ, we need to change them to host. So load this one into this. Okay, don't worry, delete, create component 1, 2, 3. What's going on? See, it works. Sorry, just 1 sec. Okay, sorry about that. Kids, woke up, so need to get back to bed. So okay, so it works. Alright, so and also you can see there's this one's offset that way, and this one's the other way. So we can try to adjust this a little bit. So we can go to edit type. So we can change this one back. Yeah, so this will be the thickness. So if I change to, so you can see the difference. And so it's a little bit hard to say the final result, but if we click on this repeat, at least we can create half of this. And also now we can change this number. So if I type 20, it will increase the number of this panel. So now you can see the result is not too bad. We can further, I believe we can reduce the offset a little bit, maybe 3 meter. Yeah, something like that, right? It's quite close already. Looks like, and also it looks like it's not straight. It's a little bit rotated. So ours is quite straight. So we can try to adjust the angle of the the like grids, so there's some rotation, but I'm not quite sure, so let's have a test. 5 degree, yeah, so yeah, this way. So yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, so now let's try the other side, because we need to, you know, make this one looks like 1, right? So change this one to 20, and then I'm going to just create component. So let's do it. I think this one need to be offset. So previously we do it 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6. So this time we might need to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, hell. Yeah, I think that's right. And do this repeat again. So we need some angle. So let's try 5 degree as well. 5. Oh, the other 5 is it, oh sorry, the other way. -5. Yeah, that's better. So as you can see, we are missing 1, so maybe we can just manually place 1 here. So I think it need to be this one first, maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe here, 4, 5, 6. Oops. Oh, maybe I placed onto the wrong spot. So let's try maybe HH everything, so we can see all these nodes. So create component 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, doesn't work. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. So maybe we try to adjust the angle a little bit, maybe 6 degree. So as long as this one's maybe just trying to move this node closer to here. So how about 7? Yeah, I think that's close enough. So this one needs to be -7. Okay, so let's try again. Okay, so create component 1, 2, 3. Just make sure you pick the right one. So this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Oh, it doesn't work. So see if we can just get it work. Nah, it doesn't work. That's fine. So I think I'll leave it to you. Because previously I did make it work. So let me just open that one. So in this one, I'll check the 5.8. Yeah, maybe it's because of the size. You know, sometimes it just because I placed this manually. So one plate. Yeah, of course, different. Maybe we can try different. So let's try again. So this time it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it works. But let's type HR. Yeah, I think that's not too bad. Yeah, I think that should do. Oh, why the thickness is different? Okay, I think it's probably because yeah, of course, because the sequence different, so you know it changed the like orientation of those profiles, so it's making it looks like a different thickness. Anyway, so this is it. I think so. This is just the idea, and I think it's quite close, right? Yeah, not 100%, but at least this is something you can try. I will upload which one do you, maybe I'll upload both so you can have a, yeah, because every time when I try to model this one, it's always different. Sometimes you know, I do it this so this one's okay, so this is a new one. Where's the old one? Oh hell, family 2, yeah, because the same name, so sorry again. We need to rename it, and then we can open the this one as well. So edit, so you can, so it's actually quite similar. So it's all like point, yeah, 180 degree, and offset with 2, same thing. Okay, so anyway, so I will upload, I'll put those these two model together, and then so upload, and so you can have a look, have a play. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.